What's up, YouTube universe? I'm Dash, and welcome to the SEPTA 2022 Bus Rodeo. Well, actually, no welcome. You see, the rodeo, it was kind of disappointing, to say the least. I attended the SEPTA 2022 Bus Rodeo, and there wasn't really a display. The transit enthusiast-oriented events were not there. The only thing they had was this SEPTA Bus Revolution bus, giving people tote bags and telling them to go on a website to do a survey. But other than that, the SEPTA Bus Rodeo was dead. In today's video, I'll tell you all about that disappointment. But first, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Dash Official, as we'll be doing a video every week. And please be sure to join the Virtual Transit Center Discord server. I'll have a link in the description for you. So what is the SEPTA Bus Rodeo? Well, at its core, it's a competition to show who's the best of the best drivers at SEPTA. Before we get into it, maybe we'll just show you this video from 2017 to explain it all. Today we're going to the 2017 SEPTA Rodeo. SEPTA Bus Rodeo. Alright, so if you look closely, you can kind of see the bus display. You got the moderns over there and the classics over here. But further down the road, if you can kind of see where the MIDI is, that's the competition area. And there is a New Flyer MIDI. Look at that thing, it's so cute. It's such a tiny bus. Okay, now that I'm here, I'll try to go through the display buses as quickly as possible, because I know everybody wants to see those too. Right, so right there you got a flexible metro school bus, Gillick school bus actually, from Prevos, X345 actually. And there's transit fans trying to ruin the video. See, I told you this was going to happen. Hi!
What's up? What's up, Andy? How you doing? What's going on? Oh my God.
What's going on here? All right, so you got MCI, New Flyer, New Flyer. Holy crap, there's a Nabby over there. Haven't seen one of those in like 15 years.
This.
Hi. Hi. All right, this is a New Flyer hybrid, second generation for SEPTA.
The second time you cursed me on.
Yes, you won't get that reference, and I won't explain it to you. All right, now this is a New Flyer trackless trolley. You can see at the back, even though there's no like wires above the thing, it can run on diesel power for like about 30 minutes. Now this is another Nova LFS hybrid, except this one is articulated. This is a New Flyer Excelsior. This one is an XDE40. Now this is a New Flyer MD30, or New Flyer MIDI. This is, well, the M is for MIDI, D is diesel, and it's 30 feet long. All right, now this is the competition area. Pretty much to make things fair, everybody gets the same vehicle, do the same run, all that good stuff. It's good fun for everyone, plus there's events for the families too. So yeah, this is an all-out party. Everyone's preparing for the group photo right now. This is pretty much, yeah. If you see yourself, you're a celebrity. Now you see in that video, everyone's excited, even myself. I'm full of joy, I'm happy. You see people trying to have fun. You see how everyone was just running into me, they were happy, you know, and you just see like the buses on display. Well, for 2022, that was dead. There was no excitement, there was no happiness. There was just a parking lot full of cars in one, and then the competition was used Excelsiors in the other. Most of the operators that were supposed to do the course did not show up. Now we know that SEPTA notoriously kills off their history on purpose, with the Neoplan AM440 buses not even being preserved despite being the backbone of the fleet since 1982. But we also have the Volvo B10 articulated bus that was accidentally scrapped in years past, and the Volvo B10 40-foot that was also sold off to a museum, later scrapped because of the Hershey incident, which isn't really SEPTA's fault per se, but they sold it off instead of preserved it, so that part's SEPTA's fault. In the 2017 rodeo, we were convinced that the Nabby numbered 5317 would be preserved due to the fact that it's looking very fresh, brand new, and had a whole new interior for the SEPTA key operation. But instead, this bus was scrapped right along with the rest of them. It was sad, actually. If that wasn't bad enough, SEPTA also sold off the RTS some time ago, and based on how much they got for it, they did not sell it because they needed the money. They sold it simply because they did not want it. And now there's rumors that the flexible new look that SEPTA currently preserved is missing in action. It's actually getting very grim for SEPTA's history. I mean, look at those broadsheet line cars at Fern Rock. What does this have to do with the rodeo? Well, we know that most fans go to the rodeo for the historical equipment, for the buses on display and all that stuff. But not only that, they also come here to see those buses leave, as this is the one time a year that SEPTA brings out those historical buses such as the RTS, the GM Fishbowl, and the flexible new look. This is also the one time a year that you can see the entire SEPTA fleet in one sitting. Fans from all reaches of the country, from New York to California to even Philadelphia itself, come to the SEPTA Bus Rodeo to not only see these buses, but also to bring some of their own.
So imagine the disappointment that fans had when they came all the way from wherever they came from just to see there was no display. To the fans, this was a shock. But for SEPTA, I know they planned this. It was purposely done. They did not save any of the most iconic buses such as the Neoplane AM440 or the Navy 416 because they did not preserve any of the buses from 1990 onward. And out of all the buses they did preserve, such as the RTS, the Volvo, the GM Fishbowls, and all those, SEPTA was slowly but surely selling them off. Volvo 1, gone. Volvo 2, gone. RTS, gone. But this year was the worst because they didn't even have the contemporary equipment on display. With that said, I greatly apologize for the lack of SEPTA Rodeo video this year. I am so sorry that everyone was looking forward to it because including myself, I was disappointed when I seen there was no display. However, I do have these pictures from what was on display. Privately owned New Flyer D60 Arctic. Very well preserved 2001 Gillig. With that said, I will see you all next week. I'll be doing a video on Boston's rail lines as I've finally ridden them all, and I'll be ranking them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and peace out.